Hi students, let us continue with the topics, that is micro operations. So let us see the introduction part of the micro operations. Actually the operations executed on a data stored in registers, that you call it as micro operation. So whatever the operations that are done in the registers, okay, the registers are present in the CPU, central processing unit, the CPU consisting of, that is a processor consisting of arithmetic logic unit, control unit, and it's having the register. So ALU performs the operation and control unit controls the operations, and register is used to store the data whatever the processor has to be execute. So the operations that are done in the registers, operations done on registers, you call it as a micro operations. Let me write the operations executed on data stored in registers is called micro operations. The operations performed on the registers, you call it as a micro operations. So examples for this is the micro operations. Examples are shift, load, and clear, increment, count. So these are the different micro operations. So whatever the computer system is taking, a computer system micro operations are divided into 4 types. Computer system micro operations are of 4 types. So there are 4 types of micro operations in the computer system. What are those? Register transfer micro operation, next arithmetic transfer micro operation, third one logic micro operation, and fourth shift micro operation. So these are the 4 types of micro operations in the computer system. So one is register transfer micro operation, arithmetic transfer micro operation, logic micro operation, and shift micro operation. So register transfer micro operation means it's just transfer binary information. So always the register holds the binary data. So this register transfer micro operation transfer binary information from one register to another register. So it's just transferring the binary information. So it doesn't do any operation, only transferring the binary information. Whereas arithmetic transfer micro operations, what it does? So it performs arithmetic operations on numeric data stored in register. So the register stores some numeric values. So these arithmetic micro operations will perform operations on numeric data that is stored in register. That you call it as arithmetic transfer micro operation. What is a logic micro operation? Logic micro operation always perform bit manipulation, only bit one by one. It does bit manipulation. So the operation only on non-numeric data stored in registers. Shift micro operation means just shifting the bits. Perform shift operations on data stored in registers. Okay, so these are the different types of micro operations performed on the computer system. So the operation that is executed on data stored in registers, you call it as a micro operations. And each computer system can perform 4 types of micro operations: register transfer, arithmetic transfer, logic micro, and shift micro operations. Thank you.